Recently, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestone Tynsong had launched Matrilineal Exogamous Institution, a book by Raphael Warjri exploring Khasi Matrilineal culture. Published by the Riti Academy in collaboration with the Indian National Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage, Meghalaya Chapter, the book offers in-depth research on Khasi culture, presenting innovative ideas and perspectives on social change. It also examines mitochondrial DNA and includes a comprehensive list of Khasi clans. The book launch coincided with the unveiling of a statue of Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, a key figure in the Constituent Assembly and architect of the 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution. The statue, created by Riti Academy artists, stands at the Riti International Cultural and Performing Arts Centre in Shillong.
We just have one group photo. No?
Sure. Then with me. Mother. Okay.
Our matrilineal culture. So among all the cultures that we have here in the country and perhaps across the globe also, there are very few people who are trace their lineage through the mother. Observe this matrilineal culture. So I have tried to put up all the the ingredient, all the information regarding how we have been sustained this culture of tracing our lineage to the mother. It has become also very relevant at the present juncture, where there's so much of assertion for change. There's so much of mixed opinion of of change that the different section of the society within our society also wanted to change, to cope up with the other cultures of the rest of the world.
So we should not forget one thing. Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, here in Meghalaya, is popularly known as the father of 6 children. And I'm very sure the 6 children was his brain, along with our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. And ultimately, we, the generation today, and the generation to come, we enjoy, and not only that, we are being guided constitutionally by their 6 children. We should not allow any misinterpretation of the Constitution of India, because some forces I could see nowadays, they said that this council in the present context is irrelevant. I think that is very unfortunate. It is really, really very unfortunate. Let me tell you, in the context of Meghalaya, we are as we are because of this council. Just a few years back, India was in the turmoil, I think we all know, before passing the CAB. But let me tell you gladly, just because of the 6 children, we were exempted from the purview of the CAA. So friends, I would like to again salute this greatest personality, and not only that, his family members, especially the church. He hails from the Church of God. The church leaders are here. The pastors are here. Thank you so much. You produced a wonderful and a very special personality in the name of Reverend JJM Nicholsoy.
The event was attended by various dignitaries, including the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh Aim, and also Chief Executive Member of the Bodoland Territorial Councils, Pramod Boro. Other notable attendees were the Chairman of the Tripa Motha, Pradyot Manikya Debbarma, and leaders from various district councils across northeastern India.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.